This is what we got going on, guys. Big old recreational pond right here.
That's a big Twinkie.
Hey everybody, Christopher Yaks here, Aquas Caves of Michiana. Get ready to love your backyard. Hey, we are here in beautiful Jupiter, Florida. A lot better than northern Indiana right now. Even though it's warmed up a little bit, we're in the mid 30s, 40s, which is a lot better than the negative 50s that we had last week. I mean, it's so much better. The towns were closing down, everything, but we're here for the Kamp Kenan build. Mr. Kenan is a tortoise and reptile expert, and we're putting in a recreational pond for him for all of his turtles, tortoises, reptiles, you name it, it's going in there. So we got a lot of filtration coming up here. Yeah, guys are already getting to work. Build actually doesn't start until tomorrow, but we got guys out here right now still building. Look at that, getting everything in. Say, hey, AJ, what's going on, bro? Get some rock for the guys out there out back. They're gonna try and get done as much as possible, so that way it's a little bit more interactive for everybody else coming in for the next few days. So let me go ahead and flip this back around, show you guys the rock that we're working with. Boom, there we go. We got some native Floridian boulders here for you. Native Floridian boulders. That's right, we like to use what's in the area. Boom, here we go. This is it right here. So look at that. Chris Hansen and Mark Hellman and everybody can't wait to get working. They're already over there stacking rock. Well, hey, we're here at the Kamp Kenan build, and we got recreational pond going on over here. We got guys working and stacking that you guys already saw. Here in this area, this is the heart and soul of everything that we're doing. This is the wetland filtration system. So there's going to be a nutrient load in the recreational pond that's then going to be pumped here, down here like this, okay? And then what's going to happen is it's going to be pumped in right where that plumbing is. See where that big pipe is? There's actually plumbing underneath me right here. And what's going to happen is it's going to rise up through these. We're going to have rocks. We're going to have big boulders here, and then smaller, and then smaller, and then smaller. And that's actually going to be the filtration. It's going to come up to about right here. So this is all going to be filtered. What we're doing is we're looking for a 90% reduction in flow rate. So what happens is that all the sedimentation, all the particles, all the dirt, all the other things, all the nutrient load, what will happen is it'll all just naturally sink to the bottom. And these tubes right here, we can go ahead and take these off, and then when it's time to clean this filtration system, you just drop a pump down in here, and you just start washing and spraying and doing all the things, and you suck all the bad stuff out of here. So that's what it looks like right now. This is what it looks like when it's set. So here in the next couple days, you're going to be getting all of this done, getting all the rock in here backfilled and actually going and going. I've installed probably about 2 or 3 of these in my career, and this isn't the biggest one I've done. We did one in California last year for the way station wildlife habitat, and that was a big 24 by 24. So excited to see what this is going to look like. Stay tuned, guys. got everybody coming in. As you can see, we're bringing in the filter rocks. We're on top of our wetland filtration system here. This little thing right there, that's our clean out tube. We got more coming in right there. We're gonna put all this, it's gonna cover all this right here. So what's gonna happen is all that water is gonna come filtering up and through the rocks. Sedimentation is going to happen. Everything is gonna settle to the bottom of all those aqua blocks, and then we'll be able to clean it out through these two tubes that you see right here. Getting it all covered up. There you go, Juan! Get it, baby! Oh, that's Udi. Oh, I'm sorry.